All right, good day, everyone. Today we're doing notes on side, 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 angle, side, angle, side, angle, 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 side. I am also going to post a PowerPoint in case this is not enough for you to get it. You can go through the PowerPoint and look at those examples, and that should help. I also have an additional video posted too that's optional. So these two that I cross out, you cannot have. So just remember that. So as you're doing your work, if you see anything that's written this way or written this way, SSA or angle, 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 it does not prove triangle congruency. All right? So your objective, I will prove triangles are congruent using side, 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 angle, side, and angle, angle, side. One definition you guys probably already know, included angle or side, the angle or side between two consecutive sides or angles. So I did a picture here. So you guys can see this angle is considered included because here are the two sides. And then I did a picture here. You can see the two angles, and here's the side in between it. So this is included side. Pause the video as you need to and get all this. It might be easier just to write everything out first, then go back and pay attention, especially when I'm working the problems out. So I'm going to get postulates up here. Yeah. Okay, so these are the different postulates. Side, 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 we abbreviate to SSS. And as you can see, all the sides have to be congruent. That's what these, oh, forgot a little extra mark here. Should be 3 of them. All right. Side, angle, side. You must be included angle. So the angle has to be in between two sides on both of them. So this side is congruent to this side. These are 2 tick marks. This side is congruent to this side, and then here's the included angle that are the same. Angle, side, angle, okay, must be included side. So you'll have this angle, and this angle is congruent. You have this angle, and this angle is congruent. And then you can see the side is between them. So then that proves it by angle, side, angle. Angle, angle, side, you have the 2 angles and then the side. So this angle, and then you have this angle, and this angle, then you have that side and that side. So you can prove it like that. This one wasn't up on top, but you do have another one called hypotenuse leg, right? This is only for right triangles, okay? So you have to have a right angle, and then one of the legs have to be congruent. All right, so here's our first example. All right, guys, it says name the postulate to identify if it's congruent. Now, obviously, there's going to be a lot of these. I'm not going to do every single type, so that's why you need to refer to these pictures. And if you're still struggling, view the PowerPoint I'm going to post also. So let's just go through this one and see what we have. We know that these are vertical angles, so we can just put a little note here. But that's not how we're going to prove it, though. But we know we have vertical angles, right? And this angle, this side is congruent to this side. Okay. Then I have this angle, and then I have another side. This looks like side, angle, side. Okay? Side, angle, side. All right? On both of them. So I can prove this by side, angle, side. Again, all I did was look at these rules that are up here, and I found the one that fit. Then I'm going to look at this one. Okay, you guys might not remember this property, but this is called reflective property because they're sharing a common side. So I'm just going to write that here. Uh-oh, shoot. And then I'm going to put shared side. Ooh, I'm almost at the end. I'm running out of room here. And then I'm going to think about this. I'm going to look at the different things I have written on the triangle, and then I'm going to look at my properties. That's how you do it. There's one property we can't quite see, but that's okay. You guys have it. So I say I have an angle, and then I have a side. Okay? So again, let me think. I know I don't have one that says side, angle, angle, because that's not, you can't do that one. So, but I can do angle, angle, side. And then I have this same angle, this angle, check. I have this angle, looks good. And then I have the side here. So I'm pretty sure that this one works with angle, angle, side. All right. Then we're going to do some problems with some math. And again, like I said, I'm posting that additional PowerPoint. It has tons of more examples on it. So you might need to refer to that if these examples aren't enough. All right, it says find the value of x that would prove the triangle's congruent. All right, well, let's see what we got here. I have this side, that looks good. I have this side, okay, and then I have this angle. So I'm pretty sure that we already know this is going to be congruent, so I'm going to try to figure this out. So I need this angle to be the same as that. So I can say right now these two are equal. Right? And then I just do my math to solve it. So I take away 4 from both sides. Divide the 2 out. X turns out to be 22. All right? So if I was to plug it back in, I am going to get 48. So what you're doing is just plug. So that we can say that now we know for sure this is going to be side, angle, side. Does everyone see it? Side, angle, side. Okay. And we found our x. So I should box that too. Or highlight it. All right, last example, and then like I said, I am going to post that PowerPoint. That's going to be additional, has a lot more examples of just going through these types and recognizing, because some students have a hard time with that. All right, example 3, let me get it where you can see it. All right, it says find x and y such that the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle XYZ, and then explain. So explaining, we'll write the statement below. So, okay, let's see what we got here. We know definitely got right angle, so we have, this is hypotenuse, probably hypotenuse leg. Sorry about that. So we have these marks are the same. Okay? So that means I can go ahead and make them equal to each other. Well, I don't want to do that one because I need to find that. Let's do the one with the x, because this one has an x plus y and at 18. So we can go ahead and write it out. But we need a little bit more information. So let's go see if we have enough stuff on this side. I see I have one tick mark here, and I have the same thing here. So that means these two sides are the same. So I can go ahead and solve for x. So I can do 2x plus 4 equals 20. Take away 4 from both sides. So we get 2x equals 20 minus 4 is 16. Divide the 2 out. X turns out to be 8. All right. So I got my 8. Now I can actually figure out y, so I can substitute this 8 into the x spot right here. So I can do 8 plus y equals 18. To get y by itself, we're just going to take away 8 from both sides. So now I have y equals 10. Okay? So to explain it, we can now say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle, and make sure your order matters when you write the letters, X, Y, Z. So if A goes with X, you see, the order matters. Okay, B goes with Y. All right, C goes with Z. So order matters when you write your triangles out by hypotenuse leg. Okay? And that's all you do. Again, if you're still a little confused on how to figure these out, view the PowerPoint. It has tons of more examples on it.